esports? Monologue, lamba.
Why esports? I feel bad that someone stole that part of the answer because I had a really nice answer. But the question to why esports is in very simple, why not? This was the same question that my parents had asked me when I wanted to go away to the US and go to San Francisco and live in a hacker house and try to pursue my dream in tech, where they said why, and my answer was why not. लाइफ में सब कुछ एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहिए बहुत ठोकर खाई है ई स्पोर्ट्स में वो भी एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया आई थिंक मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली as kids who have competed and played in video games and who have played this competitively, who have played tournaments, who won, वो थोड़ा सा adrenaline rush, वो थोड़ी सी feeling के अरे एक दिन वो बड़े स्टेज पे मैं भी हूँगा या मेरी टीम भी होगी या मेरी वजह से कोई वहाँ पहुँच पाएगा that entire dream of fulfillment what people have on a much higher level for sports. I think esports makes it a lot more attainable, a lot more achievable. Those dreams are a lot shorter in esports. Like cricket में, from when you start dreaming to when you actually get somewhere, 10, 20, 30 साल कभी-कभी लग जाते हैं. If you are one in a billion, right? That's the same with any other big sport. With esports, that's not the case. Like some orgs that didn't exist 5 years ago are doing extremely well. Some orgs have been here 15 years and are not doing very well. Some orgs are here 1 year, make a lot of noise, बहुत पैसे फेंकते हैं, गुम हो जाते हैं. So it's the entry barrier is low. Most people come in because they feel they can do a better job than the people that are already here. Almost all of them are wrong. I don't see anyone who is able to figure it out in esports. And at some point, it just becomes an ego battle. So I understand when he says why esports, and I say why not. But like, yeah, why esports?
Sometimes you think.
Yeah.
Everybody thinks.
हक से सोचेंगे यार.
Why? Like, why am I even doing this?
ईगो बैटल नहीं करना है.
कभी ऐसा भी होता है ना बहुत लोग सोचते नहीं है about the why. They just
खर्च पहले करते हैं कैसे कमाएंगे वो बाद में सोचते हैं फिर 1 साल 2 साल जब अपना पीएनएल करना पड़ता है एबिटा निकालना पड़ता है जीएसटी करना पड़ता है ईयर एंड फाइलिंग करना पड़ता है हाँ ठीक है सॉरी